and welcome to my channel. My name's Olineece. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe so you never miss one of my videos. So today we're gonna get into this wig from Unice Hair Company, and I'm not gonna keep you guys waiting. No long intros today. I wish I had something to say, but you guys are actually subscribing, so that's really exciting. So make sure y'all are steady interacting with my videos, so hopefully one of these days I can do a giveaway. Anyways, on with this video. Today we're going to be going over this Amazon wig from Unice Hair Company. If you guys want to see my review and install on this silk-based lace closure, make sure you guys keep watching. So this wig was sent to me, and I just really want to take the time to show you guys the box, because when companies like put all their information on the box, I think that's really important to promote their company and their brand all over. So opening the box, this is what it looks like right when you open it. You have these bag of goodies right here, and you have your wig, of course. First, we're gonna get into these bag of goodies right here, which is so cute. Look at that, it's so frilly. Like, I love frilly stuff, y'all. First, you have your wig cap right here, and it's actually a real wig cap. The next thing that they actually sent were some beauty sticker nail wrap. Girl, I'm gonna have to use these because I was not gonna go get my nails done. Not gonna lie to you, I wasn't gonna do it. The next thing that we have in this bag, oh my gosh, I just noticed the bag is marked with their brand as well. Like I said, you guys, branding is a lot, so for them to like brand all their items like this is amazing. The next thing that we do have are some lashes. So here are the lashes. It comes in this adorable little packaging. They don't really look like your cheap 25-cent lashes that other companies will send you. And then finally in here we have something that looks like a head wrap. Yeah, you guys, it's a little scarf so that when you are laying down your wig, you can lay it down. So all this stuff is really amazing. I'm really happy that they sent me all these items. It's like a little cute little kind of care package. Like, who doesn't want that with their wig? You know what I mean? So what you guys are really here for, finally, let's get into this wig. This is how the wig comes in the bag with a little sticker obviously on here. Taking the wig out of the package, it does come stuffed, and there was a little net on it, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I took that net off. So there is some packaging like that, which is, it's nicely packaged. And this is the wig. We have her here. So honey, we have her here. She is out and about and ready to explore the world on my head. Okay, this wig is a silk base wig. So as far as silk, this is what I mean. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm trying my best to show y'all where the silk is and where it meets the lace. There is a deep line of demarcation, so you're definitely, if you're gonna get this wig, you're definitely gonna need some foundation to put in there from the lace to the actual silk base area. This wig is looking amazing. It smells amazing. Like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, that's one of the first things that I noticed taking it out of the bag. I was like, wait a minute.
Do you smell it?
Sis just smelled like
A kind of smelly smell.
she had a deep condition. Like, come on with the cleanliness. She looks super luscious, and these are what her ends are looking like. I love to show y'all some ends, because y'all know on these wigs they be
Come on the bus. Psych!
they be playing around with us in these ends. I don't know why they do that, but they do that. Sis is 18 inches, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, she looks like she has some layering in the front. So we'll see more when I put that on my head. Another thing that I wanted to point out to you guys is that this is a pre-plucked middle part. It is deemed to be a middle part, and so this is what the inside of the actual wig looks like. There is no strap. There are the adjustable bands at the bottom, and there are 3 combs. So it looks very nice as far as construction wise. But when you come up here to the front, because it is deemed a middle part wig, right along the other sides of it, these are tracks. These are not actually areas that you can part into. So wherever this middle part is actually placed, that's where it's gonna be. Another thing about this wig that I really want to show you guys is that they don't give you a lot of space on the sides to blend up to the silk base. I would say about 1 centimeter of space as far as the lace there on the sides. So you guys, let's get into installing this wig, and I'm gonna show you guys how it holds up. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely love this, bro. Girl, I'm feeling voluminous. I'm feeling cover girl. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see this? Sis, I did this, sis. I did this, okay? The curls are being held. Usually when I do some curls in any wig on my videos, I don't add any products just because I want to see if the curls will like immediately drop. But I just did these, so they're kind of dropping because this hair is kind of dense, but they are still holding the curl at the end, which I still think is very pretty. And I've just been throwing them because, you know, well, you already know. But this is the wig, guys. I love this silk base wig. I never thought I would. It helped me match even better, y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna go with silk base wigs from now on. It's definitely an option. It's definitely something you can switch it up, and I feel like besides all the plucking and everything that you'll do your first time around, after that you're good and done, you know what I mean? So this was a change of pace for me, and I definitely can say, you guys, that I love it. There was no shedding. The hair is thick and full. I can tell though, I would say that the hair is dyed black, so if you guys aren't interested in that, maybe message the seller. I'm not sure if this is just the wig that they sent it. I think it's really pretty. It gives like a really clean look to it. So honestly, nothing bad about this wig, you guys. I will definitely be coming back and giving you guys an update so I can give y'all the real scoop on this. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe, so that way you know when I post that video. If you guys like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you let me know in the comments below. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a blessed and awesome day, and I hope to see you guys as subscribers and watchers of my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.